many. Today is the last day of the show, so let's see a magic claw machine, the big truck. I know in the market there are lots of similar machines, but we focus on the quality, durable. You can use it more than 10 years. First, we use the material is like cookie. It will not broken. And then you can it. Actually, it's how to say, it's a very durable claw machine. Now we try to play. It's a perfect machine for the shopping mall. And space for the beer center, the coin selector.